because of our experience in the game, especially this one, after winning 9 consecutive games. So there's a little bit of pressure in the quarterfinals because we cannot afford to lose. And we have a bad start, maybe they feel the pressure, because 9 games is not really a joke for us. And it's a lot of hard work and sleepless night for the players because of the things we're doing, But sabi ko nga, because of the experience, they know how to win, especially in the second half. We're down, we're struggling the first half because give credit to and next they're really prepared, especially in the first quarter. We're not able to execute our game, but the likes of Junior Fajardo, he did not score a lot in the first half, but come second half, he knows how to win it. And then, yun. And talagang isinacharge ko ito sa experience ng team.
We now open up the floor to questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations in Regarding Pastor. Coach, you were down the history at that time. After the adjustments, kung saan ka naman how to use yung showing nito ng third quarter?
I think in the first quarter, in the first half, talagang they mess up our rotation. But come second half, I changed a lot. I started Trilliano and Hap, and I'm so happy he performed right away because we know Don is really one of the reliable natin, especially from the bench. And if you notice, yung bench namin scored a lot better than the first year namin. And talagang not a major adjustment. The only adjustment we made, we have to step up. We have to show our energy because the thing that they're doing is it's all pick and roll. I think 80% of their game is from pick and roll, and the rest is transition offense. And then we're able to contain it in the third quarter, and we're able to get the lead. And I think that's the story of the game.
Yung semifinals is either converts or game so second series. So, either team hihirapan kayo outlook nito sa semifinals.
You're right, either of the team, it's really hard, although we put them in the elimination, but semifinals is a different whole game, and we have to, for the meantime, we will take a break to celebrate the Christmas because the next game will be on January 4, so we will program it how to practice well, because Nedra and Converge, for me, it's really a contender in this tournament. And there's a lot of good players both in and then makikita natin na talagang yung lineup nila as really formidable lineup and they're capable to win a championship. But in our case, we have to work hard and prepare hard para dito sa incoming semifinals natin.
Diba, 10 straight wins after 0 to start as was said. Is that palang bagay yun against Rebecca or Converge, yung momentum na
confidence ng booster sa akin sa naman next week. Pero tapos na yung elimination run, playoffs, wala yung sa St. Louis best of luck.
7.
Best of luck. So, back to zero na yun. Pero yun nga, kailangan hindi kami maging kapante kasi gusto namin pumasok sa last finals. Pero alam na namin na hindi natin nila yun. Kailangan natin nagawa yun. Willing naman kami nagawa. Sige namin, hindi pa wala naman kami sa sabi na namin.
That wraps up our post-game press conference. Congratulations.
Merry Christmas.